Hi there, in this video I will install a dishwasher, a new one Samsung, to replace the old one Maytag. For those who are new to the channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yevhen, I am a technician at the local company Appliance Service Guys. Today I bring to your attention the continuation of a fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Diagnostics, installation, repair, configuration and maintenance of appliances, you will find all this in my videos. Therefore, without delay, I suggest you subscribe to my channel right now. I unplug the old Maytag dishwasher from the power, water and drain and remove it from the furniture. When installing a new dishwasher, I was faced with the need to update the water supply system. This is due to the fact that the old dishwasher was designed with a water supply from the front, while the new one has a water connection from the back. There was a need to install a new tap and water supply hose. After installing the water supply tap, I connected the new dishwasher to water, drain and electricity. I also remembered to empty the new dishwasher of its shipping packaging. I fixed the dishwasher into the furniture. To test the functionality of the new dishwasher, I turn on a wash cycle. I carefully monitor the quality of the installation. I check the operation of the Samsung dishwasher on all modes. You subscribe and like. I am making a new videos and appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.